As we get older, particularly after the age of 60, our eyes start to send us little warning signals. You may notice the print getting smaller, the night driving getting harder, the glare becoming more uncomfortable. These changes don't just happen overnight, and they're not something you have to accept as a part of aging. The truth is, your eyes are living tissue. They are constantly renewing, repairing, regenerating, and the fuel you give them, especially before bed, can make a dramatic difference in how clearly you see when you wake up the next morning. As we move past the age of 60, something remarkable happens in the body. Our systems begin to communicate with us in ways they didn't before. The eyes especially start sending little reminders that they need extra nourishment and care. Maybe the print on your phone seems a bit harder to read, or perhaps the road signs at night aren't as clear as they used to be. This isn't a sign that your vision is doomed or that aging has taken control. It's simply your body asking for the right support so it can continue to serve you the way it always has. Your eyes are alive. They're constantly working, constantly adjusting, constantly processing light, color, and detail. And like any living tissue, they have the ability to heal, repair, and rejuvenate, especially while you sleep. Nighttime is the most powerful healing window your body has. When your mind finally slows down and drifts into sleep, your cells wake up and go to work. In the darkness and stillness of the night, your retina begins repairing, inflammation settles down, and the tiny blood vessels feeding your eyes open up so nutrients can flow more freely. After 60, this nightly repair process becomes even more important because the eyes require a little more nourishment and a little more assistance to stay strong, clear, and sharp. And this is why what you fuel your body with before bed can make a tremendous difference in how you see the world when you wake up. Many people believe aging automatically leads to vision loss, but that is simply not the truth. Your eyes are waiting for you to give them the right tools so they can restore themselves. The food you choose at night can either support this healing or slow it down. When you choose the right nourishment before sleep, you're giving your eyes a chance to rebuild the tissues that keep your vision crisp and focused. And when you do this consistently, even small changes can create noticeable improvements. You don't have to accept weaker vision just because the calendar says you're getting older. With the right evening habits, your eyes can stay vibrant, alive, and sharper than you ever imagined. When it comes to protecting and sharpening your vision, nature has already done the heavy lifting for you. It has placed some of the most powerful eye-healing nutrients into one small, unassuming fruit, the kiwi. Most people look at a kiwi and see just another fruit, but inside this little green powerhouse is a combination of compounds that your eyes absolutely crave, especially as you get older. Kiwi is one of the richest natural sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that play an essential role in supporting your retina, particularly the macula, which is responsible for the sharp central vision you use to read, drive, and recognize faces. These nutrients work like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light, protecting delicate tissues from oxidative stress, and preserving crystal clear visual function. As we age, the levels of these protective pigments naturally decrease if we don't replenish them through our diet. That's why adding kiwi into your nighttime routine can be such a game changer. Instead of relying only on supplements, which many people do, you're giving your body these powerful nutrients the way nature intended, through whole food. And when nutrients are delivered in this complete natural form, your body absorbs them more efficiently and uses them exactly where they're needed. Eating a kiwi before bed doesn't just supply your eyes with lutein and zeaxanthin, it also delivers them during the very hours when your eyes are repairing and regenerating at their fastest. Kiwi works on another level too. Its antioxidants protect your eyes from the daily stress they endure, bright screens, dry environments, pollution, and natural wear. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation, slow down the aging of retinal cells, and support the clarity and sharpness of your vision. Every bite of kiwi is like sending reinforcements to your eyes, telling the tissues you have what you need to stay strong. Over time, these small actions add up. When you consistently nourish your eyes with natural healing nutrients, you're not only preventing degeneration, you're actively supporting sharper, clearer, more vibrant vision. And the beauty is, it's simple. One kiwi before bed, one powerful step, one natural gift from the earth to your eyes. One of the most overlooked foundations of clear, sharp vision is the health of the tiny blood vessels that nourish your eyes. These capillaries are so small that many of them are thinner than a strand of hair, yet they perform one of the most important jobs in your entire visual system. They deliver oxygen, nutrients, antioxidants, and healing compounds directly to the retina, the macula, and all of the delicate structures that allow you to see the world with clarity. When these vessels are strong, flexible, and functioning properly, your vision feels crisp. Your eyes feel alive. but when they weaken, become inflamed, or start to break down, which becomes more common with age, your vision begins to blur, strain increases, and everyday tasks feel more challenging. This is where kiwi becomes so powerful. Kiwi is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, offering even more than an entire orange, and vitamin C is absolutely essential for keeping these tiny vessels healthy. It strengthens the walls of the capillaries, allowing them to transport nutrients more efficiently and withstand the daily stress your eyes encounter. When the vessels are strong, your retina receives the oxygen it needs. Inflammation goes down, and your visual cells can perform at their best. Vitamin C also boosts collagen production, which keeps the connective tissues in your eyes firm and resilient. This is especially important as you get older because collagen naturally declines and the eyes depend on it to maintain structure and clarity. When you eat kiwi before bed, you're giving your eyes a direct infusion of this vessel-strengthening vitamin at the exact time your body is repairing itself. During sleep, the eyes are not exposed to light, strain, or movement, so the blood vessels can focus purely on restoration. This is when vitamin C does its best work. It reduces oxidative stress, supports healthier circulation, and helps the eyes recover from the challenges of the day. Over time, this nightly nourishment can lead to less puffiness, less redness, improved clarity, and a noticeable difference in how your eyes feel when you wake up. You don't need complicated treatments or expensive supplements to strengthen your vision. Sometimes all it takes is giving your body the right nutrient at the right time, and at night, kiwi becomes one of the most powerful allies your eyes could ever have. One of the biggest hidden threats to your vision as you get older is unstable blood sugar. Most people don't connect blood sugar with eyesight, but the truth is that your eyes are extremely sensitive to even the smallest fluctuations. When your blood sugar rises too high during the night, it places stress on the delicate blood vessels in the retina. These vessels become irritated, inflamed, and less capable of delivering the nutrients and oxygen your eyes need. Over time, this leads to blurry vision, difficulty focusing, and that heavy, tired feeling in the eyes when you wake up. But when your blood sugar remains stable throughout the night, the eyes stay calm, nourished, and supported. This is where a simple kiwi before bed becomes such a powerful tool. Kiwi is a naturally low glycemic fruit, which means it doesn't spike your blood sugar like many evening snacks do. Instead, it releases its natural sugars slowly and steadily, allowing your body to process them without stress. When you eat kiwi before bed, it helps keep your glucose levels balanced, giving your eyes a more peaceful environment to repair and regenerate while you sleep. Stable blood sugar means the retinal vessels can stay open, flexible, and strong, delivering exactly what your visual cells need for healing. This is especially important for anyone over 60 because the eyes naturally become more sensitive to sugar fluctuations as we age. Kiwi also carries a blend of fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients that work together to keep inflammation down and support healthy blood flow. This combination creates a perfect nighttime environment for your eyes to reset and recover. When blood sugar remains stable during sleep, the morning often brings clearer vision, less strain, and a brighter, more refreshed feeling in the eyes. You don't need extreme diets or complicated routines to protect your eyes from sugar-related damage. Sometimes it's as simple as choosing a fruit that works with your body, not against it. By making kiwi your nightly partner, you're giving your eyes a steady, calm foundation so they can do what they're designed to do, heal, repair, and help you greet each new day with sharper, stronger vision. Most people think of melatonin as just a sleep hormone, something that helps you drift off at night. But melatonin is far more powerful than that. It is one of the strongest natural antioxidants your body produces, and your eyes rely on it more than almost any other part of your body. When melatonin levels rise at night, your eyes enter a deep state of restoration. The cells repair damage from blue light, inflammation settles down, oxidative stress gets neutralized, and the tissues regain strength. As we get older, melatonin production naturally decreases, and this is one of the reasons why sleep becomes lighter. The eyes feel more fatigued, and morning vision can feel foggy or strained. This is why kiwi is such a gift, because it helps your body naturally boost melatonin, giving your eyes the nighttime healing they desperately need. Eating kiwi before bed doesn't just help you fall asleep faster, it helps you fall into deeper, more restorative sleep. And deep sleep is when the eyes repair themselves the most. During these stages, blood flow increases to the retina and macula, oxygen delivery improves, and the tiny cells responsible for processing light in detail begin their nightly reset. When melatonin is present in healthy amounts, this repair process becomes more efficient, more complete, and more noticeable when you wake up. You may feel reduced dryness, less cloudiness, and sharper focus because the eyes had the proper environment to recover. Kiwi works on multiple levels. Along with supporting melatonin, it contains antioxidants that work hand in hand with your body's own natural healing system. These nutrients sweep away stress from the day, calm irritated tissues, and protect the eyes from ongoing wear and tear. This combination creates a powerful nighttime formula that allows your vision to rejuvenate consistently. You don't need special pills or complicated sleep routines to give your eyes deeper healing. Just one kiwi can help your body produce more of the melatonin it already knows how to use. When you consistently support your natural sleep cycles, your eyes respond with clarity, comfort, and strength. Night after night, this simple routine can transform the way your eyes feel each morning, brighter, clearer, and ready for the day ahead. When you make a small change and repeat it consistently, the body responds in powerful ways. Your eyes are no different. They thrive on routine, nourishment, and steady support. When you eat one kiwi before bed each night, you're giving your eyes a dependable source of nutrients that work while you sleep. And it's the consistency, not just the action itself, that leads to the noticeable improvements. So many people experience your body loves patterns. When you feed it the same healing fuel night after night, it begins to strengthen the pathways that repair, rejuvenate, and protect your vision. Most people don't realize how quickly the eyes can respond once they are given the right environment. Within just a few days of adding kiwi to your nightly routine, you may begin to notice small changes, less dryness when you wake up, easier focusing when you look at your phone, a reduced need to blink repeatedly to clear your vision. These small improvements are your body's way of saying, thank you, keep going. Over a week or two, the changes can become even more noticeable. Your morning vision may feel more refreshed. The haze that usually appears when you first open your eyes may start to fade faster, and the strain you feel at night while reading or watching television may begin to ease. This happens because you're finally giving your eyes the nutrients they need at the exact time they can use them best during sleep. The lutein and zeaxanthin from the kiwi help rebuild your protective eye pigments. The vitamin C strengthens your tiny blood vessels. The antioxidants calm inflammation. The melatonin supports deeper restorative rest. It's a complete healing package delivered right when your eyes are in repair mode. The beauty of this habit is its simplicity. It doesn't require equipment, money, or complicated steps. Just one kiwi, one intentional choice repeated nightly. These consistent small steps can create lasting transformation in your vision. When you support your eyes with love and nourishment, they reward you with clarity, comfort, and sharper sight, helping you greet each new day with clearer confidence and brighter vision.